Hey guys, welcome back to Queen's Decor, your party one-stop shop. We're a party rental shop, balloon shop, and an intimate venue space as well. Let's get into this week decor idea tutorial. So today we're using our grass wall that we literally just DIY'd. I have a video that's coming up for you guys. Right now, all I'm doing is tying my 260 balloon onto the grass wall so I can be able to attach my balloons. We are using, yes, you're about to hear me right, recyclable balloons from our previous event this weekend. But I wanted to come to give you guys up for baby first birthday decor idea so that we can get into it. First of all, I absolutely love these colors. But after I went ahead and attached my 260 balloons, I attached it in 3 areas. I did it at the bottom, the top, and the middle. So I did the bottom, as you saw me do there, did the top, and now I'm working on the very bottom. All I'm doing here is fixing up the balloons. Y'all want me to repeat it or not? Balloon is flexible. It's something you're supposed to play with, shift around, move around until you get your desired look. People can show you all the tricks, method, and techniques out there in balloon design, but when you go to decorate, you're gonna still have to find your swag, your style, and what looks good to your eye, because each balloon artist have their own signature. We're just adding balloons at the bottom because I definitely didn't like how that cluster was just so little. I wanted the gold to pop more, so we're adding more balloon designs on the bottom. After we're done adding our balloon on the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and just eyeball the balloon to make sure it is what we like. I'm very satisfied with how my balloon is shaped. I'm very satisfied with how it looks at this point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add more clusters to my gold just because I wanted it to pop a little more. Now, when you're using balloons from a previous event that you have already put high shine on, you got to be very careful how you move it, how you shift it, and how you twist it around, because the high shine is sticky somewhat or slippery. It's honestly, it felt more slippery, and then once I was done, my hands just felt sticky. So now I absolutely love this look. Let's go ahead and just add one more large balloons just to satisfy me, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on our sign. I don't know what's here, but y'all see the confusion. Don't ask me what I was confused about. I don't know. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put on our sign. I found a new technique today working with a grass wall, how to put on my name sign. So I actually used a 260 balloon and just put it through the hole that was on my name sign and just put it on one of the balloons. It sat so well. I found a new technique. That's all I'm saying. I found a new technique. So let's go ahead and do our stage setup just to show you guys, give you guys an idea on how I'm going to design these. And yeah, I have this clear cylinder that I absolutely adore and love. It came a long way so far. But we're going to go ahead and fill it up with some balloons, same color as our garland. Just because it's a kids event, you want it to be playful. You don't want it to be too serious. You know, just add some fun stuff in there. And yeah, that happened. But now, let's just go ahead and add the fun part and enjoy the rest of the video, y'all. I love y'all. See you next time. Bye-bye.